Hello guys, this is how to show apps on home screen. For example, if applications does not appear on home screen, you can bring them to home screen so that it is easy to search something. For example, mine does not have calculator on my home screen. If I search calculator, I can't see it unless I go to Play Store, then I search it and then I can open it there. Another application that does not appear is ChatGPT. Now, what you have to do is go to settings, scroll down, tap home screen, then scroll down. Now what you have to do is tap hide apps on home screen and apps screen. Tap there. As you can see, there are 8 selected apps that have been hidden. Now, enable the ones that you want them to appear on home screen and tick them. Then after you have unticked all the applications you want them to appear on home screen, tap done. Now go to home screen and see if you can see the applications. Calculator and ChatGPT. I have enabled them. Thank you.